Donald Trump blasts Pope Leo concerning this war that is happening between Iran and the US. Donald Trump said a lot of things concerning Pope Leo, and he said that Pope Leo is someone who is too liberal. Maybe he is too soft, and he wants a country that wants to destroy the entire world, that he can never do anything with Pope Leo. And whatever he said in this video depends on his own perspective. You know that Donald Trump is the US president who has done a lot concerning the world. Many people are calling him world destabilizer. Many are calling him that, in fact, he is destabilizing the whole world. But Donald Trump is doing what he's supposed to do so that there will be peace. But yet, many countries don't want to understand that. Donald Trump is doing everything because US is the world power. That is why he is going to many countries for peace. Like in Nigeria, he intervened in the situation of Nigeria for peace, or for bandits and herdsmen to stop killing Christians, because there was genocide in Nigeria. That is Christian genocide in Nigeria. If you go to Venezuela, Donald Trump went there. Not that Donald Trump went there, it is US that went there for peace. Iran issue, Donald Trump. Israel, in fact, many countries, because US is the world power. They have the right to go any country and arrest people or arrest a person that they want to arrest. And in the other hand, they are the only world power that have the right to intervene in any situation that arises in any country. So that is why it seems like US or Donald Trump is involved in many countries. So if you watch this video clip now, you will hear everything Donald Trump said concerning Pope Leo and Iran. And Donald Trump still insists that Iran will never have nuclear weapon. Like I said in my previous video, that Donald Trump is afraid that if these people possess nuclear weapon, they can wake up one day and destroy the entire nation or entire world. That is why Donald Trump don't want Iran to have a nuclear weapon. So don't quote Donald Trump wrong. He is doing this for the safety of mankind on this earth. He is doing this to save Christians. But Donald Trump is not someone that loves only Christians. I can believe that he is mainly doing this to save life in this world. So watch this.
We don't like a pope that's going to say that it's okay to have a nuclear weapon. We don't want a pope that says crime is okay in our cities. I don't like it. I'm not a big fan of Pope Leo. He's a very liberal person, and he's a man that doesn't believe in stopping crime. He's a man that doesn't think that we should be toying with a country that wants a nuclear weapon so they can blow up the world. I'm not a fan of Pope Leo.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you heard everything Donald Trump said concerning Pope Leo, and what he also said concerning the possession of nuclear weapon by the Iran. So Donald Trump is saying all this so that Iran will never have it. If you look around the world now, you will see that many countries are in a big crisis. Many countries are, in fact, many countries are not in peace. But Donald Trump is having a tangible reason why Iran will never have a nuclear weapon. Because there are many countries that have nuclear weapon. Many countries like Korea, even US, even Israel, many countries, all those world powers, they have their own nuclear weapon. Why Iran? There will be a major reason why Donald Trump insists that Iran will never have this nuclear weapon. What do you have to say? What is your own take concerning this video? Please drop it in the comment section. For more news and updates like this, subscribe. See you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.